So hello everyone, in this video we'll be inserting all the data in our each table so we can perform queries as well. So first of all we'll be inserting records in the customer table. So let's copy this, and you can find the blog link from the description, so you can visit the blog as well if you want to try it by yourself. Otherwise it will take more time in typing all these things or all these details. So this is it, and now if I just run it, you can see all the query executed successfully. And now if I just select this customer table, we'll be having some records in it. You can see we are having some records. Earlier it was empty, right? So this was it. Yeah, in here, and you can see some of the values are null as well, because in them we like didn't want to add any data. So these are, I think, middle names, so we are not specifying any middle names for some of the people, right? Now let's insert the data for the branch table. So this is our branch table. Let's insert the data, and this is just an insert command, and I hope you know that, right? So insert into and the table name and the values, in that we can specify the values, right? So these values will be specified in order, right? So the like the table, let me just show you the branch. Okay, so the branch is this table. Branch is having BID, bname, and bcity, or basically branch city. Now this is our branch ID. So this is our branch name, and this is our branch city. Now if I just run it, it is also executed successfully, and we'll be having branch data now. If I refresh or basically run the command again, so you can see we are having the data. Now let's insert account details or the account data inside the account table. So this is also in the same order in which our fields are added. You can see account number, customer ID, BID, opening balance, AOD, and A type, and account status. If I run it, this is also executed successfully. And now we can also see the listing for the account. You can see we have the data. Now let's go for the last one. Okay, it's the second last. Let's insert some transaction details, and this will also be in the same order in which our data is, or the fields are inside the transaction details. If I refresh it, you can see this is added. Now some more fields are there, like some more data to be inserted in that. Then we'll be able to perform queries perfectly if the data is there, right? So if I select the transaction details, so you can see we are having the records, and that's it. So we have successfully inserted the data inside our tables. Now in the next video we'll be performing queries one by one, and we'll see how logically we can select the data and perform queries on them. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.